How we doing, besties? Welcome back to the Skate a Day Challenge. We are finally over the hump of 2 weeks. We are on day 15. So we've been going over all of these fundamentals, all of these different drills and skills to level up our roller skating. And now it's time to refine a couple of those skills. So we've been talking a lot about going backwards, how to skate backwards, the fundamentals, how to feel your center of gravity, and how to get more comfortable in your stance so that you can start rolling and smooth out all those little Bambi shakes that we get when we're skating backwards. So now we're going to talk about refining those skills. First, it's very important that you have your 1 foot balance, so make sure you're always practicing that. If you're not ready for that, make sure you're practicing those backwards bubbles and your backwards glide so that you can get ready to refine those backwards skills and feel smooth and confident when you go to skate or when you go to a rink. You also want to make sure that you're practicing your transitions. Today we're going to try a comfort move that I love to do when I want to keep both of my feet on the floor, but I want to skate smoothly going backwards. I'm going to call them scissors. So just like with bubbles, we're going to start out with our toes pointed in a pigeon toe stance, our knees bent. We're going to push and do a regular bubble. Except when we pull in this time, instead of coming back together with our feet, we're going to make them squeeze together. And there's only one more part to this, and then you can practice this and get some really good muscle memory. So we're going to start in our pigeon toe stance, get real comfortable, bouncy knees. We're going to push out, we're going to pull, and then we're going to push out again, and we're going to pull with the opposite foot in front. What we're doing is going out and back in, out and back in. It's going to take a lot of muscle memory, so make sure that you're really practicing those bubbles and really making your legs work for it. And that's literally it for today's challenge, besties. This is a great move to practice when you get bored of doing the bubbles and you're ready to try something new, but you're not quite ready to pick those feet up yet. Practice, practice, practice. See you on the skateboard, besties.